To enable GoHenry Chores, start by logging into your GoHenry account on the website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Tasks section where you can set up and manage chores for your child. In the Tasks section, you will see an option to add a new task. Click on this to create a new chore. You will then be prompted to enter the details of the chore, including the task name, description, and the amount your child will earn for completing it. Choose a task name that clearly describes the chore, such as cleaning their room or helping with laundry. The description should provide more details about what is expected of your child, such as what areas of the room need to be cleaned or what laundry tasks need to be completed. You can also set the frequency of the chore, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, and the amount your child will earn for completing it. This amount will be transferred to your child's GoHenry account once the chore is marked as complete. To help your child stay on track, you can also set reminders for upcoming chores and due dates. This will send a notification to your child's device, reminding them of the task that needs to be completed. Once you have set up the chore, your child can log into their GoHenry account and view the task details. They can then mark the chore as complete once they have finished the task, and the earnings will be transferred to their account. By enabling GoHenry Chores, you can teach your child the value of hard work and responsibility, while also helping them develop good habits and a strong work ethic. Regularly reviewing and updating the chores and earnings will help you ensure that the system is working effectively and that your child is staying on track. It is also important to have open conversations with your child about the chores and earnings, and to provide feedback and encouragement as they complete tasks. This will help them understand the importance of contributing to the household and taking care of their responsibilities.